Today's class will be on cavity liners, varnishes and cement bases. These are collectively called as pulp protecting agents. What are the causes for pulpal irritation? It could be chemical irritation, that is chemicals present in the restorative material, or it could be due to marginal leakage due to poor bonding or percolation. Or it could be because of thermal sensitivity due to passage of heat through the restorative material, the exposed empty, or it could be a galvanic shock or a pain, that is due to the presence of two dissimilar metal coming in contact. So therefore, pulp protection requires consideration to preserve the health of the pulp against such insults. And these bases also give mechanical support to the above restorations. That is in brief about pulp protecting agents. Now coming to cavity lining agents. What are these cavity lining agents? These are materials applied on the walls and the floor of the prepared cavity to protect the underlying dentine and pulp from chemical and thermal insults. There are two types of cavity lining agents. First one is cavity liners and secondly cavity varnishes. So cavity lining agent, there are basically two types, cavity liners and cavity varnish. We'll go one by one. Before that, we'll talk about what are the ideal requirements of a cavity liners. It should be bacteriostatic, it should have electrical and thermal protection, prevent discoloration, prevent penetrations of chemical ions that is present in the restorative materials, prevent micro leakage, it should have good chemical bonding with the tooth structure, and it should have anti-cheiroogenic properties. These are the ideal requirements of a cavity liners. So coming to the first type, cavity lining agents. First one, it could be a suspension or liquid cavity liners. They are suspension of calcium hydroxide or zinc oxide ethanol in organic solvents like ethyl alcohol or aqueous solution of ethyl cellulose. Second type is paste cavity liners. It could be two paste system. One is a base, other one is a catalyst. An example is a calcium hydroxide, and commonly what we use in the department is dical, that is a brand name. Calcium hydroxide comes in two paste system. One is a base, other one is a catalyst. Or it could be a single paste in solvent, that is calcium hydroxide in a solvent. Or it could be